Hello, student full names, Blanca Méndez Quiñones, course 9, English 2 Word, level 1. My husband, his name is Luis Freddy Guerrero. He is 44 years old. His lives is Bogota, Colombia. His hobbies are play video games and listening to music. Daily activities. He likes spending time with his family. He also likes listening to music. It Jones. He does not like stress. He also does not like too much noise. Thank you.